Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Dev's Kingdom. Grok-3 is out for public testing and it is on x.com free tier, so you can register x.com and be able to test it. You can see the benchmarks. Grok-3 beta and Grok-3 mini beta are the world's best models. So in every metrics, those two models outperform DeepSeek R1, which is awesome. In this video, we're gonna do a full test on the Grok-3 on some very difficult questions. So that being said, let's get started. And if you go to x.com, you can see it is available and it's just on the beta release testing. So we already tested the first question. For deep search, you can just click this on and off to turn on the deep search or turn off the deep search, same as the think. So turn on is a reasoning model, turn off it is a regular non-reasoning model. So that being said, let's continue. So in this test, I will check deep search off, but if you want to try it like this one, then just check it on. So that should give you a web search with a lot of the deep dive into the search results, and then we'll generate the response. And you can see the first question we asked is, what's the capital city of the country whose name ends with HIA? And they give the right answer with a lot of the search results. And the answer is correct. So it is Czechia, and the capital city of Czechia is Prague. So the first question is answered correctly. And they also give a very detailed answer or description of the response. Country name, Czechia, official country name, Czech Republic. So this is very, very good. So let's test the second question and create a landing page for a crypto trading company. The landing page should have 5 sections: header, hero banner, market, real-time trend diagram, product features, and contact us. So make sure that the landing page looks sleek and modern. Please use inline HTML, CSS, and JS, and create an index HTML for this page. So let's copy the question. Let's paste it. So without deep search and think, click enter. Oh, they're still doing the deep search even I check it off. So interesting. So it's still thinking. As you can see, it is still working. Okay. Right, so let's copy paste the code. Let's copy the code, paste it into HTML here, and you can see this is excellent work. Absolutely excellent work. And you click here to actually jump to the right section on the page. There's real-time traffic, which is awesome. There's features, contact. Very good. So let's go back to the questions. So the third question is, how many A letters in the word Alibaba? Okay, let's test that. 3 letters, this is correct. So let's also mark them as a pass. The fourth question is, design a simple 1-minute color game that's quick, engaging, suitable for individuals of all ages. The game should focus on identifying, naming, and interacting with colors while encouraging quick thinking and agility. Include the basic rules, objectives, and examples of how players can participate. Ensure that the game promotes fun and interaction while being easily understandable, and playable. Build a game in Python. So let's paste the question. Alright, so using the colorama, and okay. Let's copy the question. Let's go to IDX, and let's create a virtual environment. And let's say okay. Okay, let's do a pip install. Follow instructions here. So let's do a pip install colorama. Done. Let's copy and paste the response. That's wrong. I full test. So it's not found. Okay, so maybe just try this one. Python. Alright, so tap the color you see. Welcome to color, please. So blue. It's very slow. Okay, to purple. Too slow. Okay, purple. Oh, green actually. Right? Okay, red. Oh, purple, red. Yellow. Red. Okay. Okay, very good. Interesting. Okay, but anyway, I think this works. So it is excellent coding. So let's mark that as a pass. Generate SVG code. So this is the fifth question. Generate SVG code for a simple flower shape. So let's copy and paste the question here. Okay, let's copy the question, copy the response. So very good with the explanation as well. Let's paste the response. Alright, it is a flower. Okay, good. So let's mark that as a pass. The sixth question, generate SVG code for a simple palm tree shape. Okay, so let's copy and paste the question. Let's copy paste the response to the SVG viewer. So it is a palm tree, so that's good. Let's mark that as a pass. The seventh question. So we want to create a script for two bouncing yellow ball within a sphere. Make sure to handle collision detection properly. Make the sphere slowly rotate. Make sure ball stays within the sphere and implement it in p5.js. Okay, let's paste the question. So let's copy and paste the response. Hit run. You can see this is correct. So let's mark that as a pass, even though there's a little bit off But overall, I think it is good. So as you can see, it is good. Let's mark that as a pass. So what are the best ways to make 1,000 in a week or no limit on the methods? So let's paste the question. So sell high-value assets, flip high-ticket items, freelancing high-paying gigs, day trade for crypto speculation, and launch a high-priced online course for or product job, and then gig economy hustle. Okay, good. Real estate wholesaling, creative, crowdfunding or stunt, and high-stakes betting or competitions, broker a big deal. Okay, realty checks and tips. So no single method guarantees that in a week without some foundation skills. Pick based on what you got, time, money, and hustle, and all go all in. Good luck. So, awesome job. So let's mark that as a pass. So for the last two questions, Grok team has already demoed this in their launch event, so I will not demo that in this demo, but they have all passed. So that being said, also, if you are not familiar with DeepSeek issues, so DeepSeek has some server busy sometimes for a lot of people. So if this doesn't work for you, then I think Grok at this time is the best alternative, or because it's actually the best one. So it's definitely something you should try out. Hopefully this video is helpful. So if you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.